Welcome back to Seagull's Mazda 323 channel, and today we are going to be doing the rear parcel shelf and what is known as either the parcel shelf brake light or third brake light removal, and then installing that into another 323. So you're going to see the removal and then assembly of the rear parcel shelf and third brake light. Stick around and we'll go through this. Most of it will be in this video format, so you can pick up what we'll be going through, and then I'll show you some of the tools that I'll be using. Little socket set, little sockets, ratchet spanners, some clip removers, and a fine little poking device for some other little clips as well. Alright, so let's crack on. Alright, so I hit a mild roadblock here because I didn't take into consideration the fully 6 sound system that I've installed. Probably too much seaweed on my behalf. Fuck that cut off. Alright, so basically I've just going to install the third brake light onto the parcel shelf anyway, as part of road compliance. And I've got a spare parcel shelf. So I'll keep the other original one because it's in mint condition. I'm just going to wrap it up, store it away in the parts section. And modify another parcel shelf for the back. And